Hello, today we'll be doing a monitor teardown. So here is the monitor. I already did teardown one. Here is what I got from it. These are the boards from the monitor. I'm gonna put them aside here, and let's get to this one. I will unscrew some screws. I'll be back. I took off the back panel. Is there something in there? Here's the board. What's in there? We need to open it more. I will not open the screen. It's dangerous. Yep. I'll come back when I open it more. Okay, I finally opened it up. It was not easy. Let's unplug this cable. You stupid cable. And your stupid monitor. I hate it. It was so hard to open. But here it is. Very nice. Very nice. This is a big cap. And here is my dog to help me. Yes, very nice, very nice, very nice. Over here we have the big transformer. We have the big capacitor. Some other smaller ones. These are not Belgian. What do you want, little doggy? What? Yeah, very nice. I will get this board off this metal, and we'll see you again. I got the power supply board out. It's bigger than the other one. Here's the big cap. Nice. I still have no idea what brand it is. I cannot get this small board out because it's screwed because of the VGA port. I will try to get it out. Damn it, so freaking hard. I still cannot get it out. I cannot get it out, man. I can't. Like, God damn it. Stupid VGA port. Guys, I finally pulled it out. Here it is. Don't mind the noise in the background. It's just my brother's playing. Look. You annoying little VGA port. I pulled it out with the screw. Because it was so annoying. Here are all the boards. And this one looks horrible, like horrible. So this capacitor here is bulging. This one is blown. The transformer has solidified electrolyte. There's electrolyte on the board. This capacitor, I don't know what just happened with it. And yeah, very nice. I will put it here. I like this board. It has a ton of electrolytic caps. Cute. And here is what's left of the monitors. Quite a huge pile of useless metal. Here are the screens. Very, very nice. I will clean everything up and I will put these boards here and put them into the house.